Hello, Zillow Premier Agents. Welcome back. As many of you know, the Customer Experience Report provides insight into how your customers feel about their experiences with you. This gives you more insight into your interactions with potential clients and a better understanding of how your approach is resonating with them. In this video, we'll cover the specifics of the survey that generates this report so you can better understand your customer experience score and feel empowered to provide exceptional customer service. First, let's cover the customer experience score I mentioned. We asked customers, how would you rate your experience with the agent? This determines your overall customer experience score, which will influence which rewards you have access to. Next, there's a section we call brand recall. This section has two metrics, connection rate and remembered my name. With these data points, you'll understand how sticky your personal or brokerage brand is with customers. We ask customers questions like, did they remember speaking with you? Did you connect? This determines your connection rate. We also ask, do they remember your name? The goal with these metrics is to help you understand how you're standing out in your customer's mind during that initial conversation. Intent to work with data is next. This section shows you if you're compelling customers to take or consider taking the next step with you. We ask, do you plan to continue working with this agent? Your customer's answer determines what we call your intent to work with score. We'll also ask if you met in person. We think this is important data to understand because it quantifies how well you're converting phone calls to meetings or showings. Finally, we have traits. These are qualities customers have told us they look for and value in an agent. You'll see two groups of traits, what you're excelling at and where you have opportunities to grow. We've also created an initial suite of training modules for all the sections of the Customer Experience Report. Make sure to check out these training resources so you can improve your skills as an agent. We look forward to helping you learn and grow. See you next time.